Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Google Chrome reading mode feature. Now, to use Google Chrome's reading mode is a distraction-free tool that strips away ads, images, and videos, allowing you to focus purely on text. In 2026, the feature has been expanded with a new full-page immersive view alongside the traditional side panel. Now, to use this feature, all you have to do is go ahead and open your Google. Then select any of the articles that you want to read or post. Now, once you tap on it, you should be able to find this three-dotted menu icon on the top right. Go ahead and click on it. From here, you will be able to find this option called Show Reading Mode. Now, once you tap on it, as you can see, the site has been changed into reading mode, from where the ads have been removed and the site has been made much more easier to read this particular article. And that is how you can use this mode, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.